I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Candy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he speak me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Medicine Hat. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way it can be killing, she got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring it by billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby, yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. It is Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Candy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Barbie ain't nothing to play about. He wanna play in the playhouse. What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches, I'm rubbing a stain out. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, bro, let me go find me a pen. Look where it led. Now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him brick. You ain't know who it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Candy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. And I want the green, so I all of it. I told Tay, bring it by billing out. And I get the box with no shoes in it. Baby, yelling, yelling, yet yelling out. You ain't know who it, me and Barbie, bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a Ken. Like Candy, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies is pretty.
Y'all, so I finally have all the lace like glued down. The lace is still lacing. Like, I feel like it looks very much casket ready, which is like boggling my mind because I don't know, I feel like, is this not dark enough? This is the darkest shade they had, so I don't know. The makeup that I used to use matched my scalp perfectly, and it was giving me like a very much of a invisible finish, but I got a tan when I was out the country, so I'm gonna put my elastic band down and I'm just gonna let this melt in for a while. Like, I think I'm gonna leave this on for at least 30 minutes and let it just sink in, and then we're gonna have to address this lace. So I'm freaking out. I don't even know how, because I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling it at all.
And we ain't playing tag. Barbie ain't nothing to play about. He wanna play in the playhouse. What they gon' say now? I'm watching these bitches.
Okay, y'all, so I have all the lace cut off and I'm gonna go in with my Pump It Up spritz. I really hope this works because I'm honestly scared. It's like a white cast. I've been putting makeup on it and it's like I didn't put all the makeup I could put on it, so that's not the issue. So let's see if this stuff will, yeah, like, ooh, y'all, I was scared. Big Mama was scared. Okay, that doesn't look bad. That looks halfway decent. I'm gonna finish that up and then I'm gonna put my elastic band on. We gonna melt down for a while. I'm gonna go make some noodles. Like, I need this stuff laid. And then we're gonna come back, and that's when I think I'm gonna make my final decision whether or not I want to put baby hairs on the unit, because originally I didn't want to put any, but then the lace was kind of looking a little funky. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up putting on my Pump It Up spritz. I might spray it with some Tresemme spray too, and then put my wig band on, let it sit, and then we're gonna come back and see what we're gonna do.
Heavy on it. New York, stand the fuck up. We come out and look like Princess Diana on the street. Hey, yo, Ice.
Finish it. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he's smart, he gon' act like a fan. You bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. Thinking you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. And I just fell in love with a gangster, so he put my name in the top. But I don't let him come to the crib, so we get it on where we at. Nowadays I be ducking them cameras, and they heard that I'm up on them banners. Calling my phone, but they know I don't answer. In the hood, I'm like Princess Diana. I'm thick cause I be eating oats. Bitch not taking shit from me but notes. Wanna be me, so she do my emotes and my name in her mouth, so I bet she gon' choke. Tell her man I'm the girl in his dreams. Think about me when he brushing his teeth. He keep texting, I leave him on scene. Hottest bitch out, and they know what I mean. Like keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. Thinking you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass. Like keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. Thinking you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I give him a pass.
I be eating my spinach. They tried to clone my image. They burnt they London bridges. None of them bitches British. I know they know the difference. And I just fell in love with a gangster, so I hold him down like an anchor. He said if I keep it 100, that he keep me safe like a banker. Nowadays I be making him famous. She the princess, so fuck who you lames is. Of course I be pushing they buttons. I hold up control like the gamers. Like keep it a stack. Bitches is ass if we keeping it crack. Bad little redhead, she rock the black. We come out, it's a movie, but we don't do that. Live from London, straight from the palace. Man, them a gallus, I text us like Dallas. Keep it a bean, yo, he talk nice cause the pussy gave me how. Like keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit up my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. Thinking you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I get him a pass. Like keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit up my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. Thinking you bigger, they got your head gas. Bitches slow, so I get him a pass. Catch it. Yeah, guess the gag for me. Oh yeah.
Some R&B shit right there. Some R&B shit right there. Some R&B shit right there.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Freaky T, off the leash. I feel like a dog, I get hella free. Keep it P, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make a bitty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tough in the moment, so I feel like baby king. Force is black, step on certain, so I dress like baby D. Bitch, I'm cold, pussy ass, and you know it's giving cream. I got hoes, when there's not enough, come build a nigga team.
I need chips, I tell that nigga, tell that nigga third. He like a baby, carry that on my head, on my head. I just need a sip, cause shawty got me shit, got me pleasure from that boy, I get that bitch up.
If I'm already chose. Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, it's not bad, they be on my ass. I could hear you.
Okay, y'all, so I am aware that I just did all that, but I don't like it. I added some baby hairs because I was trying to like cover this lace because I really think this lace looks really crazy. As much makeup as I put on it, it still looks ashy. So at this point, I have to just assume that this is just the lace because I'm doing everything that I normally do to melt my lace and it's not really giving me much. So I'm going to switch the style up a little, not really a little, kind of a lot.
And I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, look in the mirror, I'm feeling me. Stacking money with a cylinder. 20 to stand on the couch, run out of town, fuck me feeling me. He like the way that I dress. Throwing bullets, see the flex. Like Mooney, I got him obsessed. Them bitches see me as a threat. The baddest in the room, so tell them to make room.
All right, y'all, so I changed the part because that middle part just was not doing it for me. The lace looked crazy. So what I will say is that this wig definitely gave me a run for my money. It was very difficult to install for me. I don't know what it was. I think it was the lace that was just posing such a challenge. It is a transparent lace, I believe, but it was just not easy to melt. Like, I could not even melt that lace myself. On the sides, it looks pretty good, but in the middle, it just looked really weird. I know y'all saw it and it looked ashy. So I will be wearing it like this. I might go in and straighten the hair, you know, on my own time. But the actual hair and the color is really pretty, but the lace just did not do it for me. So that's my final thoughts, y'all. I have taken so much time out to try to get this wig together, and this is the best I could freaking do. So this is just gonna have to be good enough because it was very difficult. I was putting makeup on the lace and it was not changing color. Like, I had to work very hard, but it's like a cute little vibe or whatever. But yeah, those are my thoughts on this unit. I might turn this into some bangs, to be quite honest with you, because I've been obsessed with bangs lately. I might cut some bangs in this wig and I feel like it will kind of give then. But yeah, guys, this is the final look. So if you do like this hair and you are interested in purchasing, go ahead and check out Alipearl. They also have an app where you can shop for all your wigs and get coupon codes. So go ahead and check their app out as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and I will see you guys in the next one.